Hello guys, MTG Kimchi here, and today I'm going to give you a Grixis mid-range pirate deck. Now, I get it, but what this deck don't have, which may surprise you guys, is Captain Admiral Beckett Brass, which of course I don't really like her in this deck, but this is quite mid-rangey. So let's, like always, let's first start off with the land, and as you guys can see, the classic 2 unclaimed territories. So yeah, 8 swamps, 8 swamps, 7 islands, and 7 mountains, pretty much. So yeah, so as you guys can tell, most of the creature spells in this deck that you want to use have some bit of black element to it. So yeah, but first, let's get to the spells, which I did kind of change up a bit. So you have 2 lightning strikes, like always, like how I like it. 4 pirate prizes, cause right now this deck, like the Rakdos pirate deck that I showcased before, will contain 3 Revel Enriches, the 5 mana. So this really is about pressuring your opponent, what you can do with your treasure tokens. You have your 2 contract killings and 2 charter course. Charter course will give us good draw power. And now let's get to here. Oh, excuse me. I was meant to get 2 Jace Cutting Castaways, but the store. I'm on a budget, so yeah. So we're gonna go with 1 Jace Cutting Castaway, 3 Kari Zevs, 2 Captain Lannery Storms, and one of my most favorite cards in this deck. Yep, we have 4 Deadeye Plunderers. And what I really do like about this card is for each artifact you +1 plus. So 5 mana, 3/3. That's pretty good. And trust me, your treasures over here will do count as artifacts, and you can just stack them on top of each other to create this one guy. And he does a significantly better job than these Direfleet Captains. But this is mid range, so yeah, this is pretty much a deck based around switching between offensive or defensive or defensive to offensive. So yeah, you have your 5 mana, 4 prosperous pirates, 5 mana, 3/4s, and yeah, I really do like this card because instead of like doing, I mean, it creates 2, which one boost up bit of your reveling riches win condition, and also no, that's Kariza. Where is it? Yeah. Also has some synergy with him. The Deadeye Plunderers. Also, the Deadeye Plunderers is just a cool card to look at because 2 Deadeye Trackers, one of the most important cards in this deck, and one of the best pirate cards I could ever imagine. And you have 4 Brazen Buccaneers. Now, about the Brazen Buccaneers, you guys may think, oh, this is mid-range, isn't it? Yeah, it is, but also it has the Explorer effect, which can give us, slight draw advantage, or, it could give us the control of what we want to draw. So, Jace Cunning Castaway is, you may be wondering why Jace Cunning Castaway. Overall, he looks like, wait guys, oh, I'm so sorry, but why am I recording from the phone? But, yeah. So, Jace Cunning Castaway, he's really good. He just looks like a pirate overall. Yeah, whenever his +1 is pretty good, especially in the in an aggro based or mid range based. Your 2/2 blue illusion, mid rangey as well, and this is what really makes him, one of my favorite cards in the game. because he can create a lot of pressure on the board with his tokens, his illusions, and especially he gives you really good draw power, especially with his +1 loyalty tick. And yeah, that is it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see ya.